about this classic import just in it unique, especially in classics? It's a 1982 Fiat Spider 2000 convertible. Listen to this, one owner car, been in the same family since new. Also original miles, 36,063 miles on the odometer right now. As far as paint, I'm gonna hit on that right away. Paint shows its age in spots some. To me, it's one of those cars, drive it the way it is, enjoy it, or maybe you want to give it a fresh paint job, take it to the next level. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. This thing runs extremely smooth. It has a 2-liter twin overhead cam, fuel injected engine underneath there, 5-speed manual transmission, power assist 4-wheel disc brakes. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. There's a link there, click on it, it's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock wheels, nice shape. Now, as you can see up and down this passenger side, we do have some little nicks, dings, probably from where it sat in the garage. But that body, not bad. Like I said, if you want to take it to the next level, it's kind of a blue-gray metallic and interior. Doesn't show bad either, considering this is a 1982 model. Simulated wood grain dash is nice. Kenwood stereo has been added. AM FM CD player, and they also saved the manual for that. And speaking of manuals, you can see the window sticker on this car. It'll be in the still pictures. They have the original window sticker, the original manuals, a lot of the sales propaganda from the showroom or the dealership when it was bought new. That'll be in the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see the paint kind of thin in the deck lid. Lots of pictures of this car, UniqueClassicCars.com. And if you're looking for a car to get into the classic car hobby, maybe you just want a convertible to zip around in, you can do it without breaking the bank in a car like this. And one owner car, and wait till we start this thing up. It's a smooth runner, very interesting car. Take a look down the driver's side here. If you're into these imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. Showing you a couple blemishes over on this driver's side, of course. I want to point those out. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels look good. Original floor mats. They're a mile long, go way up underneath the dash. Little wear here. Piece of tape has been put on it. We will put up the top at the end too. There's a couple wear spots on there I want to show you. And it's a manual folding top, just folds up and down very easily. I think my favorite thing about this car is the door chime. I know it sounds crazy, but it reminds me of a pinball game. So we're gonna put the key in just because I'm sharing this door chime with everybody. Listen to that. It's like you're getting a high score on a 1980s pinball game. All right, enough of that. Now listen to this thing when it fires up. Boom. And that chime was continuing a little longer because it had a brake light and your seatbelt light on. Give you a heads up on that. There's your exact miles, 36,063. This thing just purrs. Fuel gauge appears to be working there. That was a cold start. It was fuel injected, so that's why it spun it over and started right up. Hey, look at this. The clock's working. Wow, very cool. See if we can figure out how to turn the volume up. Stereo system. Sounds like little men at work this morning. kind of like me. I got dad jokes today too. All right, flip around to the back so you can hear this. Sounds good. All right, let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. I'll fold up that convertible top in a bit too. We'll check that out. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road too. So let's check out this engine bay. All right, hood popped, underside of the hood. Here it is. And any of the little plaques underneath here, kind of one right down under here that you can see, the VIN, that'll all be in the still pictures too. So if you want to do any sort of decoding, see any of those plaques, it'll be in the VIN. And again, 2-liter twin overhead cam, fuel injected engine, 5-speed manual transmission. Like I said, that sucker just purrs. Very cool. Like I said before, one of those, drive it the way it is. If you want to take it to the next level and have something done with the paint, go ahead. Fun car, get into the classic car hobby. All right, let me go ahead and I'm just going to fold this top up. Like I said, manual folding top. Check out the condition of that. And we'll wrap up this walk around and stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. And the top folded up. All right, first off, above the windshield, it's a nice tight fit there. It is kind of a tan vinyl, and as you can see, we have a few little spots that are taped up with duck style tape. But seriously, how often are you going to drive this with the top up? Rear window. On the passenger side, I did roll up the side glass so you can see how that fits also. I think if you need it to keep it drier out of the sun, it's going to manage to accomplish that. A couple of those spots right there too. All right, and there you go with the top up. 1982 Fiat Spider. Check out all the still pics. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1982 Fiat Spider. This being the Spider 2000. This is a 5-speed manual. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. Very smooth running car, easy to start. Clutch and shifter feel good. Very good throttle response. And we're in 5th gear. Speedometer working as it should. Tachometer on the right here also working as it should. The temperature approximately 140, 150. Looks like it's still warming up. Fuel gauge showing almost 3/4 of a tank. There is a clock over here and the second hand is moving. The blower motor works on this car. We have a Kenwood stereo in the dash. That is CD player equipped. I have tested the FM, not the CD player, but it is working. Vinyl bucket seats. And it is comfortable for me. I'm 6'1" and I fit just fine in this car. Clutch feeling good, shifting down as well. A nice small car. Usually feels great in the corners, and this one is no different. Very responsive. Feels light. however much power it has, it's just enough. It's gets up and goes as it should for lots of fun. In order to see all the details and all the pictures under the hood and underneath this car, head over to uniqueclassiccars.com.